Hi guys, it's Ali from Lovely Car Company. Right, hope you're well. Got something very, very special here, guys. It's Tesla Model 3. It's a dual motor performance, and guys, absolutely stunning. Look at it. It's not the usual run-of-the-mill Tesla. This has been upgraded, and I'm just gonna go do a little quick little walk around with you guys. Of course, if you want the full spec on this car, any details, give us a shout and we will run through all that with you guys. But yeah, just to give you a little quick overview. Front end, beautiful, and this lovely paintwork that they come in is white, absolutely gorgeous. Right, you've got the body kit styling, Tesla body kit styling around it, as you can see. Front splitter, front canards. Then you've got the extra detailing on the wing as well. Very nice. With it being a performance edition Tesla, you get the performance wheels with the performance calipers. Guys, on a full charge, this is about 350, gives you about 330 miles, I believe. And it's just over 400 brake horsepower as well. Very nice. Again, look at the bodywork, no scratches, no dents. Lovely spec car. And you've got this lovely glass panoramic roof as well. Love the styling of these guys, seriously. Glass black wing mirrors. And you've got the body kit styling running all the way down the side skirts. And the styling continues around the back with the upgraded spoiler and the rear diffuser, just making it look that little bit extra aggressive. Again, it's a dual motor. Just bring it around to this side. I love these wheels, absolutely gorgeous. Performance wheels with the performance calipers, chrome handles. Again, more detail on the wings. It's on the 2020 plate. Just over 60,000 miles. Guys, I know some people love a Tesla, some people don't know too much about them. Honestly, these are great, absolutely stunning cars. Interior is real quality leather, and I love the finish on the dash. Very simplistic look, and everything's controlled through the screen in front. Just over 60,000 miles, guys. And honestly, to charge on a fast charger, you can get up to 80% within 13 hours of charge. And if you go to an ultra fast charging point, you can actually charge this up to 80% in less than an hour, which is amazing. Guys, I'm just walking around here and you've got to take it in. This is not your run-of-the-mill Tesla, as I've just mentioned. It's not going to hang around for long. Get in touch with us, guys. Call James or call Dave, Lovely Car Company, and we'll give you all the details, everything you need to know about this car. Thank you. Get in touch.